Have you ever tried staying calm on a roller coaster ride? It is not possible for your heart rate to drop when you're hurtling around the tracks upside down at 100 feet above the ground. This is exactly the situation that we are in today. Your investments are getting hit by a volatile stock market coupled with low interest on fixed income investments. Adding to this uncertainty is the fact that the pandemic is ripping through the social fabric of the country. Amidst this chaos and panic, it is natural for you to feel a little scared and anxious. After all, fear is a natural response to threat. But anxiety and fear lower your cognitive abilities, risk tolerance, and confidence. And therefore, it is not the right time to be an investor, or rather, take decision as an investor. In the short video, I talk about few emotions and give you a solution so that you can be a better investor during this time period. The threat of disease is very different from an economic threat. These are emotions far more than just job uncertainty or financial insecurity. We need to understand, realize and acknowledge these emotions. You're not fooled to be feeling them, and therefore should be easy for us to identify the source, and that can help us manage them better. I acknowledge the fact that the pandemic has made us all tired. The environments have changed. Working from home, lockdown stopping us from stepping out has disrupted the regular habit triggers. What used to be like a regular exercise today is more like a decision, and therefore it is but natural for you to feel tired and unsettled both physically and mentally. You should expect to get triggered. A behavioral immune system is a set of psychological tendencies that motivate people to take actions that may avoid them getting sick. This is more like a smoke detector in the kitchen. But unfortunately, in investing, this can lead to crowd psychology. Let's assume people around you are not very optimistic. You are bound to get a little worried and concerned, thereby erring on the side of caution, assuming that all the people around you are taking the right set of actions, which may not really be true. So India is going through the most deadly phase of this pandemic. It is best not to do anything right now. You are not in the right set of mind to review your portfolio today. Focus all your energy and time and effort in staying healthy, fit and safe. By chance, if you go and look at your portfolio, please do remember the power of compounding and diversification works amidst the chaos too. Great quality names have gone through severe bit of correction in the past, and I don't have to give you examples. You have seen it all through your investing years. But if you feel the risk in your portfolio or the volatility in your portfolio is way too much, it probably means you have not built the portfolio matching your risk profile. So there is a need to review your risk profile now. Hope you like this video. Stay safe.